Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to plant this succulent which is called Angelina Bush succulent. This is mainly used for ground cover if you are planting it outside, or in a succulent arrangement it can be used as a filler. So you have some big ghost plant or echeveria in the middle and something around it, and this can be used to cover the empty spaces in the arrangement. So I cut these a few days ago, and now the callus has formed on the cut end, which is very important for succulent because succulents have a lot of water. They hold a lot of water. So if you just cut them and put it in the soil, and if there are any pathogens in the soil, the chances of them rotting is very high. So you want to form the callus first and then plant them. And then the soil should be very sandy, loose, and it should be well draining, a lot of perlite, very little organic matter, because succulents, they don't like very rich soil because then they will become leggy. So they actually like poor soil but loose so that they can grow easily. And just water them sparingly, that's what you do for succulents. So, I mean, these are very small cuttings. So I have a small planter. I'm just going to dig a hole here and just plant it there. And they are so tiny, so I'm a little worried whether they'll survive or not. But I'll keep you posted how they are doing. So right now this soil is really dry, so I'm going to water it a little bit because it should stay damp or moist but not soggy. So I'm going to water it a little bit, and then I'll keep it inside my house because there I can control the temperature and humidity, and leave it out in an area inside where it gets a lot of indirect sunlight for a couple of weeks. And then after that, I'll move it to a south facing windowsill where it gets a lot of sunlight, and hopefully they'll start to grow, and I'll keep you posted on how they are doing. So our cuttings seem to be doing fine. They are standing tall and strong. And the most interesting thing is the root here. Do you see the air roots? Tiny air roots that are forming in there. So that means, plant is trying to generate roots and survive. So that's good news. So we'll wait for it to get bushier and I'll let you know. So our Angelina bush has been growing very nicely. Now it is so big. So one thing I realized was that, if you put it in direct sun, harsh sun, then they tend to dry. Though they are used as ground cover, I think when they are very young, then they can't bear harsh sun. So, I had planted those small cuttings, and then I kept them inside for a couple of weeks, and then I moved it out, but then they started to dry. So then I put them outside, but in a shaded area, and they started to thrive. So once probably, now this kind, if you look at it now, you will see that they have, these air roots growing. So that's how, they will propagate also, because if they were on the ground and these roots are there, so then they will take root, and that's how they spread. So I mean, I did it in planter because I want to use it as a filler in my succulent arrangements, but you can see that how they grow roots and how they will begin to spread on your ground. So you have to be also careful where you want to plant it, because it can very quickly take over your garden. So as you can see in my succulent planter, I have all sorts of different succulents, and right in the front I have these Angelina Bush, and it provides a pretty good contrast. It is hanging down on the side in the front, so that looks nice. And also, all these florets and plants, they have big leaves, and then this provides a contrast with sharp needle like leaves, and it lies low, so it's great in the front, and then it hangs on the side. So that's how I use Angelina Bush. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.